Hello. I'm Sajid. I'm here with another vlog. Today I'm here at East Lake, Wuhan. East Lake is the largest lake in Wuhan and it's so beautiful. There are several number of activities for tourists and local people. So in this video I want to show you when you come to travel how you can enjoy your trip in East Lake. So let's go. East Lake, known as the Green Heart of Wuhan. East Lake is the largest urban lake in China, covering an area of over 33 square kilometers. It's the perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and recreational activities. So, let's dive in and discover what makes this place so special. To truly appreciate East Lake, you have to start your day early. I woke up before dawn to catch the sunrise at Lingboman, one of the most picturesque spots here. Look at the view, the golden rays reflecting on the water, the mist rising, and the peaceful atmosphere. It's pure magic. If you are a morning person, this is a must-do. Trust me, it's worthy the early wake-up call. After the sunrise, I decided to explore the lake on two wheels. East Lake has an amazing network of cycling and walking paths that stretch for kilometers. The breeze and views and the fresh air make it such a refreshing experience. If cycling isn't your thing, you can always take a leisurely stroll. The pathways are lined with beautiful plants and there are plenty of spots to stop and take in the scenery. Now let's get out on the water. Boating is one of the most popular activities here at East Lake. You can rent a paddle boat, a rowboat, or even take a guided tour. And look, there are birds following our boat. It's like they are saying hello to everyone. East Lake is a home to a variety of bird species, making it a paradise for bird watchers. Whether you are on a boat or just sitting by the shore, you are bound to support some feathered friends. East Lake isn't just about water, it's all surrounded by stunning parks and temples. This area is a perfect blend of nature and culture, and some scenic areas are must-visits for their scenic gardens and historical significance. These temples and parks offer peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's a great place to relax, meditate, or just enjoy the beauty of traditional Chinese architecture. Now let's get a bird's eye view of East Lake. The East Lake cable car and the big round wheel are two of the most exciting attractions here. The cable car gives you a stunning panoramic view of the entire lake, while the Ferris wheel is perfect for the romantic ride or just soaking in the scenery. If you want to see perfect view of sunset, just come to Tonghu, East Lake, and it's amazing. When the weather is clear, you will really enjoy the sunset moments here at East Lake. As the day comes to an end, I couldn't miss the chance to watch the sunset at East Lake. The sky transforms into a canvas of colors and the lake reflects it all perfectly. It's the perfect way to wrap up an amazing day here. East Lake is more than just a tourist spot. It's a place where nature, culture, and adventure comes together. Whether you are a local or a visitor, this place has something for everyone. In the end, I want to say thank you for joining me on this journey through East Lake Wuhan. If you enjoy this vlog, don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future adventures. See you in the next one.